Two heavy hitters of home security, Arlo or Wyze. Which one really delivers? On the left, Arlo, advanced, premium DIY security. On the right, Wyze, affordable smart home security for all. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's our mind map for today, just so you know what we're actually comparing. We've got price, camera quality, power and battery, smart home integration, privacy and security, build and durability, app and user experience, and warranty and support. That way, no stone is left unturned. Cool? Cool. All right, first up, price. Arlo, let's be real, is kind of like that luxury car of cameras. You get a lot of those high-end, feature-packed devices, but your wallet will definitely feel it. Plus, if you want those fancy features, you're most likely signing up for a subscription, too. Now, Wyze? Man, Wyze is seriously wallet-friendly. You get surprisingly good features for the price, and hey, basic stuff works without having to subscribe. But heads up, if you want everything unlocked, you might hit some paywalls. And yeah, you're not buying a tank here, build-wise, but honestly, it's wild how much you get for the money. So for price, Wyze kind of walks away with this one. Next, camera quality. Arlo goes all in. We're talking options for 1080p, 2K, even full-on 4K if you want. Night vision's legit, plus you've got facial recognition on their fancy models. Just remember, premium means, premium pricing, and sometimes your battery's draining faster than you'd like. Wyze sticks to 1080p on most cams. It has some person, pet, even vehicle detection depending on model, but you're mostly plugged in. And don't shoot the messenger. Cloud playback can lag out or freeze. So yeah, Arlo definitely takes the win if you want crisp and smart. Power and battery. This is actually fun. So Arlo gives you both battery and solar powered options. You want it outside in the rain? They've got cams rated for all kinds of weather. IP65, IP66, IP67. Of course, real-world battery life isn't always as magical as the ads, and replacements cost a chunk. Wyze is catching up. They've now got some battery cams, but the range is still mostly wired. Most models still need to be plugged in, and honestly, their battery options feel kind of new. Winner here, Arlo again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the first Wyze cam dropped for only $19.99? That's honestly bonkers, and it kind of forced all the other big brands to rethink their pricing. Moving on, smart home integration. Arlo works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and sorta HomeKit. But the best stuff's locked behind that subscription wall, which, yeah, is kind of annoying. Wyze, though, is a bit of a pleasant surprise. Alexa, Google, even IFTTT, and if you're geeking out over smart home tech, Matter is supported on some new models. There's no HomeKit, though, which stings if you're in that Apple universe. Not all Wyze devices get the modern integrations either. Honestly, it's neck and neck, so I'm calling this one a tie. Now, privacy and security. With Arlo, we're talking top-tier stuff. AES 256 encryption, two-step authentication, seriously detailed privacy focus. You do need cloud storage for the snazziest features, though. Wyze came to play with end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication, but in the nitty-gritty, they're still not as tough as Arlo on privacy. If you're super strict on security, Arlo takes the cake. Let's talk build and durability. Arlo honestly feels super pro, especially for outdoors. Their cams last longer, handle weather, and just feel solid. But yeah, that premium build bumps up the price. Wyze, cheaper, lightweight. No kidding, they look pretty nice inside. But outside or against vandals, it's just not in the same league. Durability? Another point for Arlo. All right, app and user experience. Arlo's app is actually pretty slick. Face recognition, fast notifications, really robust overall. Though, here's a catch, you often have to pay for all the best stuff. Wyze app is clean and live viewing works, but people complain about random connectivity issues, and the whole thing just gets frustrating unless you're on a plan. When it comes to user experience and reliability, Arlo edges ahead again. Warranty and support. That little lifesaver when something goes wrong. Arlo gives you a standard 2-year warranty, with options to extend if you're willing to pay. Their support's solid, but there's a maze of subscription choices. Wyze matches with a 2-year warranty, and honestly, their claims process is simple. But once you get into tricky, advanced stuff, their support doesn't quite measure up. Again, Arlo's the winner. Okay, let's quickly recap all those scores. You can see it on the radar chart. Wyze absolutely nails it on price and kinda holds up on smart home integration. But when you look at the other stuff, camera quality, build, user experience, Arlo's scores just shoot out further. So yeah, visually you can see where each one shines. All right, here's my honest take. If you're after insane features, durability, powerful AI smarts, and just want the best, Arlo's the big boss. You will, however, be dropping some serious cash. On the flip side, if your budget's tight or you just need decent coverage everywhere, Wyze is kind of a hero. You do have to watch out for some app hiccups and those sneaky paywalls, but for the money, it's legit. So, did this comparison actually help you choose? Let me know below which one you trust for your home security. Genuinely curious what you all